Good morning, here's your Chambana Weather Morning Minute for Tuesday, March 31st, the last day of March. We'll move into April tomorrow with a sunny day back in the 50s, but it is going to be cloudy and chillier today. North wind 5 to 15 miles per hour, a high of 45. We may get the clouds to break right at sunset, so it's possible we enjoy a very cloudy and gloomy day, but then get a little peak of sunshine right at the evening to give a little evening warmth there. That would be very nice, and then skies continue to clear overnight, leading into that sunny day tomorrow. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 30s this morning. We've got warmer temperatures off to our south. We've got a storm system just sneaking by, again, just off to our south today, bringing some rain to portions of southern Illinois, parts of the mid-south. For us, we're just getting some of those clouds on the north side as it sneaks off, again, well off to our south. So here's a look, Champaign-Urbana right about there, and the rain continuing to move from west to east across portions of the mid-south, the Ohio River Valley. So we took a look at the forecast from the high-resolution NAM model, kind of watching this first storm system making its way off to the east. We're next going to turn our attention off to the northwest. We're going to have a very slow-moving storm system and frontal boundary beginning to organize in that area. And as I play it through Tuesday night, getting into Wednesday night, Thursday morning now, this model freezes at noon on Thursday. Let me take it all the way to the end. And we're just now seeing this frontal boundary making its way into part of the upper Midwest and the central plains. So still well off to our east, we'll be enjoying dry weather all the way through Friday. But then we do have to worry about that frontal boundary making its way in, bringing some rain showers to the area. So let me go ahead and put Champaign-Urbana right back on there again and just watch this first storm system sneak off to the south, bringing rain to the mid-south and parts of the southeast. It'll be mostly quiet across the Midwest then. As we go through Wednesday, again, a sunny day, should have some sunshine on Thursday as well, maybe even a little sunshine on Friday before the clouds start to increase and this frontal boundary finally makes its way in as we get into the day on Saturday. Not expecting severe weather with this, not expecting any real heavy rain, just a frontal boundary swinging through, bringing some rain showers for the day on Saturday. It'll get out of here on Sunday. We need to talk about the pattern change, though, that we're going to be looking at as we head into next week. This is the ridge of high pressure that gives us the quiet midweek here. Missed my drawing there. There we go. And then we're going to watch this trough begin to kind of dig out west. Watch this trough beginning to kind of reinforce itself as we get into April 6th and 7th. So we're into early next week. You notice what's happening over us, a big ridge. So we're going to see plenty of warmth. I've been looking at the temperature trends for next week. I'm seeing a lot of 70s next week. But what comes with this pattern as well? Let me redraw it for you. Trough in the west, ridge in the east. We get the warmth in advance, cooler temperatures coming in on the backside, but between those two air masses where we got the very strong jet stream winds, that could lead to another active pattern as we head into next week with a very active jet stream. What does that mean for our temperatures? Well, I just kind of spoiled the secret for you. It means we're going to be warming right back up as we head into next week. So we do have that front swing through on Saturday that may, knock us down temporarily. But it looks like as we head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, again, I'm seeing a lot of 70s at this point for next week. So we have that to look forward to. So we look at the precipitation forecast, though. We're looking at this in an interesting way. This is in 5-day precipitation anomalies. So what we're looking at is the period now through Saturday, the total precipitation departure from average. And as you see right now, dry conditions expected across central Illinois into the eastern Corn Belt, even with that rain coming in on Saturday. Again, it's very light rain showers moving through. As we head into early next week, though, now we're looking at, when we take it to the end, we're looking at the period next week. So now next, Monday through Saturday. And you're starting to see those wetter conditions return to portions of the eastern Corn Belt, the Ohio River Valley, down into the mid-south and the southern U.S. So again, that I think is a reflection of this pattern with the trough in the west, the ridge in the east. It's going to be a warmer pattern, but it's going to be one that's drawing moisture off the Gulf of Mexico, leading to the potential for showers and storms across this region. So here's a look at your next 5 days. This got overlaid over something else. There we go. Sorry. You can ignore this. This is part of the Patreon support, which you can do if you go to the Facebook page. Let's just ignore that for now, though, and look at the next 5 days. Again, a beautiful day expected tomorrow, high of 53, warming back up into the 60s on Thursday and Friday with some clouds in the sky. Saturday and Sunday, we'll have to look at those light rain showers through the area, and then as we head into next week, warming back up with the potential to see some days in the 70s, but then those showers and storms returning to the forecast next week.